In this video, we will demonstrate the IMEI repair and patch certificate procedures using Chimera Tool. As we can see, the IMEI numbers on our phone are damaged. To fix this, we will repair them using Chimera Tool. First, connect the device in ADB mode. Next, go to the Repair tab, locate the Repair IMEI option, and select it. You will be prompted to enter valid IMEI numbers. Once entered, click on Next. In the following dialog, you will be asked to choose between two methods of IMEI repair. We will use the latest method. Click on Start Procedure to begin the IMEI repair. If you're sure you want to proceed, click OK. This process may take a few minutes while Chimera Tool repairs the IMEI numbers. Once the process is complete, wait for the phone to boot up and verify if the IMEI repair was successful. As we can see, the repair was completed successfully. Now, for the IMEI number to work properly, we need to perform a patch certificate. On the device, we can see that the IMEI certificate is currently registered as fail. Using Chimera Tool, we can resolve this issue. Go to the Network tab, click on Patch Certificate, and use the latest method. Wait for Chimera Tool to patch the certificate. Once the patching process is complete, wait for the phone to boot up again and check the IMEI status. As we can see, the IMEI status is now OK, confirming that the process was successful. This concludes the IMEI repair and patch certificate procedure using Chimera Tool. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.